Hello everybody and welcome to a very quick Big C TV Taste Test adventure. My name is Chris. Today I'm at McDonald's. And I decided I was going to get some McDonald's breakfast because McDonald's breakfast is pretty solid. But I came to a revelation. I thought of something interesting that I want to try. And that is, what if you got the chicken McGriddle and used the hot and spicy patty? So it's kind of a sweet and spicy kind of thing. That's what I thought. I got one. So now, I'm gonna try this. This is the hot and spicy chicken McGriddle. Let's try it. So, the temperature is very hot. Taste is great. You've got that hot and spicy chicken McPatty. It's got a little bit of a kick to it. Combine that with the sweetness of the McGriddle. So, honestly, I think that's a pretty clever DIY hack, is when you go to McDonald's for breakfast, if you like the chicken McGriddle with its chicken and waffles kind of taste, order it but with the hot and spicy patty. And hopefully you'll like it just as much as I have. That's going to do it for this short and sweet taste test. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Bye. If you want to, yeah.
Yeah, man, this guy's a genius, man.
Yeah?
Like, I was just in the line, ordering my food, and I overheard him say, spicy, sweet McGriddle.
Yeah, it could be really good.
The contrast and
It sounds good.
The thought of it sounds amazing.
Thank you.
You got to give this guy his props, man.
Thank you.
This
I
guy's a
appreciate it.
genius. No,
Thank
for
you, man.
sure.
Absolutely.
Respect, baby.